Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a door handle on your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. If you're replacing the upper oven door handle, fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws on the bottom, securing the inner and outer door assemblies. Next, unthread the 2 upper corner screws. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the inner door assembly and set it aside. Now unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the brackets and handle. Set the brackets aside and remove the old handle. Install the new door handle by aligning it on the outer door panel. Reposition the 2 brackets and thread the screws to secure. Join the inner and outer door assemblies together. Replace the 2 upper corner screws and the 3 screws on the bottom. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. If you're replacing the handle on the lower oven door, you will need to pull the range away from the wall. Then lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Now unthread the 2 lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. After setting the door on a sturdy surface, remove the retaining brackets. As with the upper oven door, unthread the 3 bottom screws and the 2 upper corner screws to separate the inner and outer door assemblies. Unthread the mounting screws to detach the brackets and remove the old handle. Align the new handle, position the brackets, and secure with the mounting screws. Join the inner and outer door assemblies together and replace all of the screws. With the edges facing outward, realign the two door retaining brackets past the notch in the hinge. Use tape to hold them in place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the two lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.